warn the traffic. What's wrong with you? Come on. Yeah, good. Fucking box. Exactly. Let me go and warn the traffic on it because they're coming around here at speed. It's amazing how many people don't look at Really, you really want to stop there? Is it really smart there, stopping? Oh, the instinct!